Tandaan mo pa ba kung tayong dalawa ang unang nagkita, panahon ng kamusmusan, piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman, doon tayo nagsimula. Tatandaan mo pa ba inukit kong puso sa punong mangga, at ang inalay kong bumamela, nakahawak kamay sa dalawa, pasikan, malayang tulad ng mga ipon, gunitan ng ating kahapon. Ang mga puno't halaman ay kabiyak ng ating gunita, sa paglipas ng panahon, bakit kailangan ting lumisan?
ganda niyo naman, kapit.
Sabi sa'yo, magandang
Bango pa, oh. Parang ako lang din ikaw, ma.
Babalik
Puti lang yung ano.
kahapon.
Kang pakay, parang ako si Papa.
Yung ano, yung TikTok, patandain natin. Tignan natin kung sino ang mukha, no? Nakangiti si Maduro na. Dito lang, hindi ko kaya.
Ngayon ikaw
At saka si
ay
Bea.
nabalik at tulad ko rin ng iyong pananabik.
Bella, ka.
Kita ang dating kanlungan, tahanan ang ating tula at pangarap. Ngayon ay naglaho na. Saan hahanapin pa? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita. Ang mga puno't halaman, bakit kailangan lumisan?
Bibidyo kita, sige. Huwag ka na umiyak. Ba't ka naiyak?
Thank you, Lord.
Bakit?
Walang laman-laman rep namin.
Nakita mo. O, pero mamaya lalagyan natin.
Thank you.
Padala ba siya?
Thank you sa dala ni Marivic at saka ni Grace.
Huwag ka na umiyak. Ha? Huwag ka na malungkot. Diyos me you. Mamaya magkakaroon na naman yan. Ha?
Lumilipas ang panahon, ay kabiyak ng ating gunita.
Ma, kakausap.
Hinahanap ka na ng iba.
Sino?
Wala kang kasama.
Sino, ma?
Nakikita ko sa'yo.
Walang nagkikita? Saan? Ako ba? Si Pinky? Sino? Sino ba ako?
Wala mag-alaga sa'yo.
Sino? Sino pa kausap mo, ma? 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 Relax ka lang, ma, ha? Relax lang, ma. Relax dali para bumalik na yung isip mo. Ha? Ha? Relax lang. Masayin mo nga kung ano. Relax lang, ma, ha? Ha? Ma? Dito lang kami.
Wala kayong magkain, anak.
Ala, meron ma, kumain na kami. Binigyan nga kita ng munggo, di ba? Na, binigyan kita ng munggo. Oh, huwag ka mag-alala. Magluluto nga ako para sa'yo eh. Ama, marami ba itong makain? Ha? Lamig nga eh. Ha? Sabihin mo nga, ma, si Pinky to. Sabihin mo nga. Ma, si Jace. Nasaan si Jace? Ma, nasaan si Jace? Ma, tawag ka ni Jace. Ma, tawag ka ni Jace. Ma, tawag ka ni Jace. Tingnan mo ako. Ma, andito ako. Kita mo ako? Ha? Ano ma?
Nang munti pang bata,
Yay! Happy Mother's Day! Check up lang.
nais kong makulit ang
Hindi na kaya vlog?
ng mahal. Awit ng pag-ibig habang ako'y nasuluyan.
Wow! Daw ni mama.
Sa aking pagtulog na labis ang himbing, ang bantay ko'y tala, ang tanod ko'y bituin. Sa piling ni nanay, langit ang buhay. Puso kong may dusa, sa tiksak ko'y ng duyan. Sana'y di magmaliw ang dating pangarap ng munti pang bata.
Mother. Dami niya.
Sa aking pagtulog na labis ang hindi, ang bantay ko'y tala, ang tanod ko'y bituin. Sa piling ni nanay, langit ang buhay. Puso kong may dusa, sakit sa uboy ng duyan. Sana'y di magmaliw ang dati kong araw, nang munti pang bata sa piling ni nanay. Nais kong mauling ang awit ni ng mahal, awit ng pag-ibig, habang ako'y nasa duyan.
Talog siya sa clouds. Ano bang kita mo sa clouds?
Nais kong matulog sa dating duyan ko, inay. O inay.
Ano daw nakikita ni Mother sa clouds? So, ito yung clouds. Kita niya kasi yan eh. Ano nakikita mo sa clouds? Nasa isip mo. Ba't tayo mo i-share? Share mo sa amin. Father of God. Ah, nakikita mo? Sana all.
Sa buhay kong ito,
Mamaya tulog na yan si Mother.
pangarap lang
Ayun na nga. Kapikit na.
ang iyong pagmamahal ay
Ano ba? Hindi oh. Sa ang unang aswang.
madali.
Happy New Year, Mother.
Ay mamasdan,
Ganda kaya oh. Mamaya mag...
kaya ay kilabang.
Happy New Year ka. Happy New Year, guys.
Bukas na daw yun.
Hindi, ngayon na.
Alam na rin ng mga doktor ang posibleng oras
Ganyan pa ng pagligo.
Ang buhay lang
Smile!
tatahakin.
Ano ba yan? Tinulugan ako, sabi ko.
Ay madarama,
Ma.
minsan di naluluha.
Ma.
Di ka na maninindig. Pagkat sa buhay mo ay may
Mukha mo si Lola mo, ma'am.
ingatan ka.
Pa naman. Kamusta si Mother?
Basta kayo, dito kami. Kain mo na.
Anong kinain mo? Saging, tsaka...
Saging at saka, anong tawag dito pabot?
Isa-isa lang, dalawa yan.
Itong pagmamahal ko may nagmamahal, aakay sa'yo. Aking inay, ikaw ang nagbigay ng buhay ko, buhay na kay ganda. Pangarap ko na makamtan ko na.
Good morning, everybody.
Yung opening daw ng Budert. Oh.
Paano yun? Ikaw yung ano to me? In the first floor.
Ay, sabay inubo na. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Abby!
Happy birthday, Abby!
Happy birthday, Abby.
Oo. Ano yung kanta?
Hello! Hindi kaya.
Di kaya talaga. Practice breathing yan, ma'am.
Ay, Angel, thank you for the 4444.
Angel Shao.
It's Tita Lorna's number.
Oh, love
Maybe
you.
it's good, guys. Good number because she told me that's her favorite number. Thank you very much for the searching. Oh, I appreciated it. Oh, my angel, you're really an angel. Okay,
Oh,
love you.
okay. Oh, iiyak pa. Huwag ka umiyak. Bakit ka umiyak?
Papa, I can miss you.
Mamiss mo si Angel.
I miss you. I love you. Oh my God, I hope you are here. Okay, just always pray for me so we can meet again. And hopefully I go there back to Canada.
Okay. Oo, send ko na. Oh, Angel, yung message ni Lola sa'yo.
Yun eh.
Dito na daw siya titira. Ma, dito ka na titira? Oo.
Ayan.
Video. Good morning ka sa kanila.
Morning.
Oh, okay ka na? Pakiramdam mo ngayon? Medyo okay ka na ngayon? Ganda ni Mama, no? Oh. Insure time ni Mother. Oh, insure, tsaka gamot. Ka na. Remembrance. Gamitin yan?
Good morning.
Hawakan mo.
Can I help you?
Oh. Ganyan pala yan?
Oo, ganun yan. Meron yan nakaganyan.
Oh.
Ahawak-hawakan mo.
Hello, good morning. Ganon. Mike pala yan?
Oo.
Ba yan? Yan pala yan, oh. Jonah.
Dinig mo.
Ganyan pala yun. Oh, di-solve na tayo.
Yung mga bigs na. Papaano sa mga yung binadaanan ko dapat. Dapat yung cellphone ko. Cellphone ko.
Cellphone mo ba yan? Gusto mo cellphone mo? Bigay sa'yo, bakit? Ano, bakit? Wala nang bawal. Masaya nga, walang bawal, diba? Sabi mo. Wala nga bawal eh. Ano pa?
Yun. Yung paborito ni Mami din. Patpatahin.
Bata. Ba't kayo binibigyan? Ba't pinapayagan na kayo sa mga bawal dati? Sabi niya. Ano sabi niya ako?
Maalam na ako. Kapag ka sinabi ko dapat.
Ba? Ma? Sarap ba? Pwede na ako maging chef.
Malagang ka na. Ano? Pampagaling naman. Ang ganda-ganda na nga.
Ang ganda oh.
Ano yung ang tula mo naman?
Ganda na hair to. Sino may birthday ngayon? Happy birthday, Oni. Oh.
Birthday. Birthday.
Aga namin kasi birthday sa happy birthday. See you later.
Tagal-tagal ilang taon minintay yan.
Wow! Oh, kiss mo si Lola. Oh, pipicture ko kayo, Lola. Hawakan mo, pipicture ko kayo. Blessed din daw. Natuwa si Lola, oh. Tabi ka kay Lola, pipicture ko kayo. Happy Valentine's. Hawak mo yan, ma. 1, 2, 3. Pauwi na si Mother. Ito, send ko kay Toria. Thank you, baby. Sino?
Lahat na! ninyo ha, may kasamang oxygen yun. Lakas ka ni Lola!
Uy, tama na makalikalin si mother.
Ikaw naman, bro. Ay, ikaw ka!
Sino? Hindi.
Hindi naka-video.
Ay, sorry po.
Ayun pa.
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt we'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the You've never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. If a face could launch 1,000 ships, then where am I to go? There's no one home but you. You're all that's left me to. And when my love for life is running dry, you come and pour yourself on me. If a man could be two places at one time, I'd be with you tomorrow and today, beside you all the way. If the world should stop with all things spinning slowly down to die, I'd spend the end with you. And when the world was through, then one by one the stars would all go out. Then you and I would simply fly away. You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. Years I ever knew, for all the years I had with you, and I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. You taught me how to love, what it's You never said too much, but still you showed the way, and I knew from watching you. Nobody else could ever know the part of me that can't let go. And I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. Is there someone you know, you're loving them so, but taking them all for granted? You may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and they don't hear the words you long to say. just to touch you once again. There are times when I'm lying in my bed, how I pillow and cry from this stupid game, and my eyes are like windshields on a rainy day, almost rubbed down, swelling as I keep on digging my face in this cold hands of mine. Heaven knows how bitter I am, 'cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? I'm so tired, I feel like catching 40 wings, being up all night in this elbow room that puts me in a trance, where hopes and dreams come true. Now my lips are burning and my eyes are hurting from this fumes I make. Still I light another cigarette just to pass my time. Oh, heaven knows how bitter I am, 'cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her